Hey, greetings everyone. Thank you for being here for this Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I want to talk to you about counting with numbers, and I want to show you a couple ways you can do this. Let's say you needed to create a list of 1 to 1,000. Well, I'm going to type in the number 1 and the number 2. And yes, I could do 3, 4, 5. I don't want to do that. That's way too much work. So what I've done here is I've created a pattern. I'm going to click in the cell that has 1. I'm going to drag down to 2. And I want to count to 1,000. So what I'm going to do is down in the bottom right-hand corner, I have this little square. I'm going to click on it, drag down. I'm going to go all the way down to 1,000. You'll see the rows starting to fly by. What I did is I went down to the row that's 1,000 and I colored it yellow just so I could see it quickly and easily. Again, you'll see the rows flying by on the left. Then I'm just dragging down. The minute I get to the yellow one, I'm going to release. And what it does is it gave me a great little list 1 to 1,000. Now, I'm going to do Control Home on my keyboard, the Control key and Home, to get back to cell A1. But this time, I want to make this a little easier. Now, keep in mind, I've gone down actually 1,001 rows. The first row is just the headings. The next 1,000 numbers are the next 1,000. So I went down at least 1,000 rows. So I don't want to have to drag that all the time. That's a little bit of work. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to create that pattern again, but instead of clicking on 1 and 2 and dragging down, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come right here to this little square, and instead of dragging it, I'm going to double click on it. And now what it does is it drags it all the way down to the bottom. Control N to END takes me to the furthest cell away. If I drag over to the left a little bit and up, you'll see there's my 1,000 right there. So what I've done is I've created a list or a pattern. One way I dragged it all the way down, which was time consuming, a little bit of work. The other way, I just created the pattern and I went down to 1,000. Okay, so that's a couple ways you can work with numbers. Practice that, you'll see it's very easy. The next thing I want to talk to you about is a number pattern. Here I've got the number 5, 10. I'm going to click in 5, drag down to 10, and obviously I'm counting by fives. So if I drag down this little square, you're going to see it's going to count in a pattern of by fives. So you can create number patterns. So again, why I like showing these little examples of working in Excel is because when you start looking at this stuff and you start asking yourself a question when you're doing something in the future, always ask yourself, is there an easier way? And if you don't know, Google it or throw it into your favorite AI tool. I like ChatGPT, and just ask the question, how can I create a list? And you'll get all kinds of feedback and information. So I like these examples because it makes you think differently about Excel. I've always said Excel takes hard things and makes them easier, but you just don't know they're there. You don't know to ask or think about it. Open your mind in Excel and say there's got to be an easier way, and I think you'll find it. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye now.